Is your Dyson V12 Slim making weird noises while vacuuming? We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This weird noise can happen when dirt clogs the filters or the motor has an internal issue. Cleaning the filters or checking the motor can resolve the problem. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.